Hello everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a 3D pie chart in Microsoft Excel. You will also understand how to work with multiple data categories and why a single pie chart can display only one data series at a time. This is useful for visualizing sales, budgets, market share, and category distribution in reports and presentations. So let's begin. First, select your data example, select product and sales. Then again select product and profit. Example product and sales. Go to insert tab, recommended chart, all chart, pie chart, and now find 3D pie chart. See this 3D pie chart. Click OK and edit data labels. Sense color, right click on your mouse, fill color, outline color, 3D rotations, or use quick layout, add chart element. Okay, and again use another product and profit. Hold control, select profit, go to insert tab, apply the same process to this chart. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.